the elevator at the Croydon Center. Rockville. We got a Schindler. HT fixtures. Low pitch. Low pitch. Interesting. We got a low pitch HT. Oh, did not hold elevator open. Open HT. Underwear ride. Hello. I love that. And then this thing has an epic motor too. Let's hear this motor again. I'm going up. Cavio. These are fixtures, they're HT, indicator. That's chime. Low pitch. Low pitch HT. Low pitch Schindler HT. There's a Schindler logo. This is kind of an elevator. Yeah. It's down there, yeah. I also remember filming the elevator at the Rockville Center. They have a KONE elevator. Yeah. This one has a low pitch HT. Let's hear this motor again. Door closed. Yeah. I guess I can't get a noise board on this because it tells me that's a hold the elevator open on that door on that side. I guess I'm not gonna get noise mode done because it tells me not to hold the door open. That's cool. Low pitch HT. Yeah. 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 Now the rubber band. Here is border. And this is the KONE Center, Rockville, Maryland. But I know it's just the first I wanted to, if it's really B in one. Yeah, it's just 1, 2. Interesting. Really interesting sets how they made it. And that sign tells me not to hold the elevator door open. I guess I'm not gonna get a nudge mode. That's the only way how. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hear the motor. We're gonna send it up to 2. Hear the motor. I don't know what the machine room is. Now I'm gonna hear the motor. Yeah. It's the. Oh, that's what you get a phone call. Now we hear the motor. Call back down. This is my favorite elevator too. I love low pitch chimes. I love low pitch. Here, come down. Oh, it's here. Yeah. No, we're gonna end the video in the elevator. We're gonna end the video in here. That's it.